Hello students. In last video I told you about direct and indirect speech and I explained you what is direct and indirect speech. Today I am going to tell you about the rules how we can change a direct speech into indirect. First, for assertive sentence, if the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech does not change. Here you can see the teacher say. Say, we are coming to know it is present tense. The teacher say the earth is round. As we all know, this is universal fact. So it will remain same. And another reason is present tense. We will not change the tense of in reported speech when the reporting verb is in present tense. So the answer will be the teacher says that the earth is round. Next example, Sachin will say, I learned a lesson. Now will say, will we all know? Will is the helping verb of future tense. So this is the future tense. Now when the reporting verb is in future tense, we will also not change the tense of reported speech. I learned a lesson. Now it will remain same. Only pronouns will be changed. Sachin will say that he learns a lesson. He has said tea is ready. Now it is said. But here you can get confused. But no need to get confused because has it written here. If it will be had, then we will use the rules of past. But still we are in present tense. He has said tea is ready. He has said that tea is ready. Now I would like to tell you about the rules when the reporting verb is in past tense. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the tenses in the reported speech are changed into the past tense. Look at the following. Present tense changes into past indefinite. Present continuous changes into past continuous. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Past indefinite changes into past perfect. Past perfect changes into past perfect. And past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. We will not take models now, right now. We will only practice till here. For example, mother said, I go to market. Now mother said. Said is the second form. So here we come to know the reporting verb is in past tense. I go to the market. Now mother said I go to the market. Now indirect will be mother said that she, because mother is using I for herself. But when third person will say the same thing, he will use she for mother. Mother said that she went to market. Next example, he said Amit does his work. Indirect, Amit said that Amit did his work. Now this is present, simple present. Now we changes into simple past. Does is the helping verb of simple present. We will change it into simple past. Next example, the teacher said I am going outside for 2 minutes. I am going outside. This is present continuous. So this will be changed into past continuous. The teacher said that he was going outside for 2 minutes. Boy said our school has won the first prize. Boy said that their school had won the first prize. Now again this is present perfect. We will change it into past perfect. Or you can simply understand like this. When the reporting verb is in past tense, we will take reported speech also into past tense. The teacher said the principal delivered a speech. The teacher said that the principal had delivered. It was simple past. Simple past changes into past perfect. Simple past also perfect changes into past perfect, and present perfect also change into past perfect. Jolly said Smita had got good marks. Jolly said that Smita had got good marks. Now if there will be past perfect, there will be no changes in the tense of reported speech. The tense will remain same. Past perfect changes into past perfect. Ruchi said the naughty boy was riding a horse. Ruchi said that the naughty boy had been riding a horse. Now past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Hopefully the concept is clear to you all. Thank you.